Hello and welcome back to the Pozag tutorial series. In our previous videos, we've covered topics such as signing up on Pozag, setting up two-factor authentication, and other important account and system configurations. In this video, we'll be exploring the dashboard builder feature and learning how to customize the shortcuts that appear on your dashboard for quicker access to the tools that you use most often. So let's get started. Pozag is an all-in-one business management platform designed to help business owners manage different aspects of the operations from a single location. Now, depending on your organization's needs, you may use features such as customer relationship management, sales tracking, employee management, task assignment, reporting, and other business tools available within the platform. Since different users interact with different areas of the system, Dashboard Builder allows you to customize your dashboard by selecting the pages that you access most frequently. This helps create a more personalized workspace and improves efficiency by reducing the number of clicks needed to reach important tools. So to access the dashboard builder, we would find those four little squares, click on custom dashboard, and then we would navigate to settings. Now, right here you see it says no custom pages configured yet, and that's what we're about to do. Customize pages to display on this custom dashboard. So I'd click on this settings, and within settings select the dashboard builder. Now this dashboard builder page allows you to configure which pages should appear as shortcuts on your custom dashboard. So let's begin by adding shortcut pages to the custom dashboard. Within Dashboard Builder, you see a list of different available pages that can be added as shortcuts. These shortcuts are designed to provide quicker access to commonly used areas of the system. So for this demonstration, I'll select a few pages. Now, the pages you choose may vary, depending on your role, your responsibilities, and the features that you use most frequently within Pozag. For example, a sales manager may prioritize like sales related pages, while an HR may choose pages related to employee management, reporting, or system configuration. So I'll add as a sales manager this time, and I'll click on the pages that are relevant to me, that I want to access as quickly as possible. So I'll click on sales. You see right here, whatever I click on here automatically lifts this left column and moves to my right column. So it shows here selected sidebar pages. So I'll also add orders. Yes, I'll add suppliers and vendors, procurement and expenses. So far I have just 4 of this, and let me see what else I want to add. Yeah, invoices and receipts. Keep in mind I'm acting as a sales manager, right? So I'm clicking on the pages that I want to access as quickly as possible and that I want to access very, very often. Okay, good thing is within this list you will see where each of those pages fall, like what category each of those pages fall in. For example, this overview is for if you're in the logistics department, team chat for projects department, you can see this pages I selected. You can see sales, right? Sales. Under others you see sales. So this shows us what units this page is come under. So let me look through for other pages that I should prioritize as a sales manager. Okay, I may want to add earnings. So far we have this 6 pages, so we can actually come here and even customize like their appearance. I can choose to have this one, okay, it's up already. I can choose to have this one stay up. I want to have this one stay up. Yes, I want it just above suppliers and vendors. Earnings should go up and up. Like I want the earnings to stay at the very top. Can you see what I'm doing? All right. So once you've selected your preferred pages and also customized the appearance of these pages, just click on Save Dashboard View there. Now the system will save your dashboard preferences and make the selected pages available on your custom dashboard. So let's go ahead and verify that the changes have been applied successfully. So I'll just come here, click on Custom Home. So can you see all of those? So earnings, which I wanted to like stay at the very top, is right here. We have the others, we have sales itself, we have invoices slash receipts, suppliers slash vendors, procurement slash expenses. So I mean, as we can see here, the selected pages now appear as shortcuts. These shortcuts provide quick access to important areas of the platform and can help improve your productivity during your day-to-day operations. Now, the ability to customize your dashboard ensures that the tools that are most relevant to your work are always within easy reach. Now, I need you to keep in mind that dashboard configurations can be updated at any time. So if your workflow changes or you get moved to a different department or you simply want to start afresh, you can remove existing shortcuts from the dashboard builder page. So for this example, I'll remove all currently selected shortcuts. All of the 6 selected cut shorts, I will go ahead to remove them. So come here, just take the same process. Click on settings, click on dashboard builder, and I'll come here and unclick this or untick this, whichever is the most correct to use, right? So you see, as soon as I unclick, it disappears and it will find its way back to this page. Sales, take this out, take this out, take this out. Now, after removing all shortcuts, do not forget to always click the Save Dashboard Builder. That is the only way that the changes can be saved. So the system updates the dashboard configuration immediately you click on this. So let's return to the custom dashboard to verify that there is nothing on the custom dashboard. So can we see this? So we're back to a clean slate. As you can see, all shortcuts have been removed successfully and the dashboard now displays an empty state, which is the expected behavior when no shortcut pages have been configured. Most importantly, the system continues to function normally and no errors are displayed. Now, the dashboard builder is especially useful for users who frequently access specific areas of the platform. So rather than searching through menus each time, users can create a dashboard experience that is specifically tailored to their day-to-day activities. This flexibility allows different users across the organization to personalize their workspace according to their responsibilities and their preferences as well. Now, as businesses needs to evolve, the dashboard shortcuts can be updated at any time through the dashboard builder settings. So before we wrap up, let's review the key takeaways from this tutorial. The dashboard builder enables users to personalize their dashboard by selecting shortcuts to the pages that they use most often. These shortcuts can be configured through the dashboard builder section within settings and will appear on your custom dashboard home once saved. As a user, you can modify your shortcut selections at any point in time, and if all shortcuts are removed, the dashboard will simply display an empty state without affecting the functionality of the system. By customizing your dashboard, you can create a more efficient workspace and access important tools more quickly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Dashboard Builder. We hope that this guide has helped you understand how to customize and manage dashboard shortcuts within Pozag. Be sure to explore our other Pozag training videos for additional tips and guidance on getting the most out of our platform. See you in the next tutorial. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Pozag tutorial. If you're a business owner, inventory management is one of the most important parts of running your business successfully. Whether you sell physical products like clothing, groceries, cosmetics, or even office supplies, keeping accurate inventory records helps you stay organized and avoid costly mistakes. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add products to your inventory using the Pozag Sales Dashboard. We'll also take a look at other useful inventory features such as importing products, exporting inventory records, and inventory transfers. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently add and manage products in your Pozag account. So let's get started. First things first is always to log into our Pozag account. Select the organization for which we want to create the inventory for, or for which we want to add products to the inventory for. So once you're logged in, you already know that the sales dashboard is like the custom home dashboard. So it's like once you log in and you select an organization, it brings you straight to the sales dashboard. So under the sales dashboard menu, you'll find inventory. So go ahead and click on inventory. Once this page opens, you'll notice that Pozag provides 3 inventory related sections: products, services, service requests. Now, products are physical items that you sell, things like clothing, groceries, electronics, and a bunch of other physical items. Services are activities or tasks that you provide to customers, such as consultations, repairs, cleaning services, or professional services. Service requests help you track customer service bookings and requests. So for this tutorial, we'll be focusing specifically on products. Before adding a product, let's take a quick look around this inventory page. You'll notice several options that are available to you here. There's import products, export products, add item, inventory transfer, add service. Each of those tools is designed to make inventory management easier and more efficient. So let's go ahead and briefly discuss what each one does. Let's start with import products. For a moment, imagine you own a supermarket and have hundreds of products. Adding them one by one would take a lot of time, would be very stressful, and you have like a much higher risk of a manual, input errors. So instead, what you can do is prepare your products in an Excel spreadsheet or CSV file and import them directly into Pozag. This import product feature helps businesses save time and reduce manual entry errors. So if you're setting up your inventory for the first time and already have your product list prepared, the import product option is definitely worth considering. Next, let's take a look at export product. This export feature allows you to download your inventory records. And this is particularly useful for reporting purposes, sharing inventory records with team members, maintaining backups, or conducting inventory audits. Depending on your needs, you can export your records as a CSV file or as an Excel spreadsheet. Having downloadable inventory records makes it easier to analyze and manage your stock outside the system whenever necessary. Another useful feature is inventory transfer. This feature is especially helpful for businesses operating multiple branches or locations, or as a business owner operating multiple businesses. For example, let's say you have a store in Abuja and another store in Lagos. If one location has excess stock while another location is running low, you can transfer inventory between those locations directly through the system. Inventory transfers help businesses maintain accurate stock levels across multiple locations while ensuring products are available where they're needed most. So right now, we'll move on to the main purpose of today's tutorial. To add a new product, click on Add Item and a product creation form will appear. This form contains several fields that help you properly identify and manage your products within the system. So let's go through them one by one. The first field is product name. Now, this should be the name customers and staff will recognize. For example, women's flat shoe. It could also be laptop bag, office chair, Coca-Cola, 50cl, or any of those. Just ensure to enter a clear and descriptive name. Next is category. Right now, there are categories already created. So just to show you how you can add a category, I'll go on here and click new. So this could be, let's say, phones and accessories. You can go ahead and create the description right here, but it's entirely up to you. That's why this field says optional, and I'll go ahead to create category. So that is how you create categories. You can also manage categories here by deleting or going ahead to create a new one with that same button. So I'll go here and click close. So the women's flat shoe should rightly be under fashion, right? Categories help organize your products. And we have examples here: fashion, electronics, groceries, beauty products, office supplies, phones and accessories, and much more. Organizing products into categories makes searching and reporting much easier as your inventory grows. So for women's flat shoe, I'll click on fashion. Now, next is the product description field. This is where you can provide additional information about the product. For example, there's women's shoe as our product name already, and you may want to include other information such as material type, available sizes, available colors, or special features. So for this example, I'll go ahead and give the description: comfortable women's flat shoe, suitable for casual and office wear, available in sizes 36 to 42 and in colors red, white, black, nude, brown, and navy blue. So there you go with our product description for this. Keep in mind that product descriptions are very useful when managing large inventories. So go ahead and enter the selling price. This is the amount that customers will pay for the product. So make sure the price is entered very accurately, because incorrect pricing can lead to revenue losses or customer dissatisfaction. So always double check your figures before saving the product. So for this women's flat shoe, my selling price would be 25,000. Now, the next section is SKU. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. An SKU is a unique code used to identify products. Pozag allows you to generate an SKU automatically, which saves time and ensure consistency, like I'll just go ahead to do here. So you see, it generated an SKU for this particular product. But you can also manually add your own SKU if your business already uses a specific coding structure. So instead of clicking generate, just go ahead and fill it in here. Also, if your product uses barcode labels, you can enter the barcode information right here. You either type in the barcode number or click on this to scan the barcode and add. This makes product identification faster during sales and inventory tracking. Right here, you see the minimum stock, and I'd like us to pay attention to what's written here. It says stock will be set to 0. Add stock via procurement to track inventory properly. Now, while you can manually go ahead and add, the number of stock available, it is very advisable to add these via procurement, right? So just on the sales dashboard drop down, you will see procurement/expenses, and there'll be another tutorial for this particular one. Now, just to ensure that everything is tracked properly, it is just best to have your stock done through procurement. So once you come on the procurement and you add the list of items and products procured, it automatically updates the minimum stock right here. So next we'll be choosing the product units. Of course, we know that different products are sold using different units. Examples are pieces, boxes, packs, liters, cans, bottles, and all of those. And those are the options that we have here. So for this particular women's flat shoe, it would be piece. Keep in mind, selecting the correct unit helps ensure inventory quantities are accurately tracked. Now, if your product has an expiry date, go ahead and enter this here. It's written optional because we know that not all product comes with expiry date. Example of products that do not come with expiry dates are fashion items. the women's flat shoe that we are creating an inventory for, it does not come with an expiry date. But this feature is particularly important for businesses that deals with food products, medicinal products, cosmetics, beverages, and all of those. So next, you go ahead and select the inventory status. So you see active, inactive, discontinued. If the product is currently available for sale, choose active. If it is available, ready to be sold, active indicates that the item is available and ready to be sold. Now, for inactive, it means it's available but not ready to be sold. For discontinued, it means it's not available, of course, not ready to be sold, and it also means that you do not have plans to restock, or maybe you're not restocking for the moment. So for this particular women's flat shoe product, I'll go ahead and click active. You can also upload let me not forget to add that maintaining accurate product statuses helps prevent confusion and improves inventory accuracy. So right here, you can go ahead to upload one or more product images. So I'll go right here and just choose a random image. Let me see. Okay, screenshot. So you can go ahead to upload a second image and a third image. Now, this product image feature is especially useful for businesses with many similar items, because adding images makes it easier to visually identify products within your inventory. Next, if you'd like to offer a discount, you just go ahead and enter the discount value in this discount field. Discounts can be used during promotions, seasonal sales, or special customer offers. And to add a discount, I'll click on add discount. So the name of the discount, I'll just say, I'll just leave it at promo. Now we can choose to have a percentage or fixed amount. So fixed amount can be, this shoe is currently for 25,000. The fixed amount could be like 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira off as a discount for this particular product. But I'll go ahead and choose percentage instead. And my percentage would be 5% off. Description, totally optional, totally up to you. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, once you've completed all of these required fields, you just want to go ahead to review every information and make sure that everything is accurate. So once you're satisfied that this is accurate, go ahead and click on save product, and the product will be successfully added to your inventory. And with that, you can begin tracking, managing, and selling the product through Pozag. Now, there is an error message here that popped up. It says image upload failed. Product will be saved without images. You can go ahead and click OK, and it has been saved. Okay, it says item name already exists. So there's quite a chance that I already created a similar product. So let's go here and update the product's name. I could say women's office flat shoe, right? Save product. Good. And this time the image did the image did show up here. So let's go ahead to have more example. Let's try a food product this time. Product name, we can say golden penny spaghetti. 500 gram. And category would be groceries. Description, we'll just say premium quality spaghetti, suitable for family meals, easy to cook, and nutritious. Selling price, we'll just leave it at 1,200. I'll just go ahead to generate an SKU as well. So SKU generated, and this is sold in packs. Unit is pack. Expiration date, let's go here to click on, let's say let's leave it at 2027. Let's say December 31st, 2027. Status active, product image. Let's got something random here. Well, for this, no discount, and I'll click on save product. Yeah, that is saved. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try an electronics product, or we can say phone and accessory. Let's say Oraimo power bank. 20,000 mAh. Category, I'm not sure if it's electronics or phones and accessories. Okay, that should be electronics. Let's leave that electronics. Description, let's say high capacity power bank. I'm sorry. Power bank with fast charging support and dual USB output ports. Selling price, let's leave it at 35,000. SKU, I'll go ahead and generate as well. Piece, yes, the unit would be in piece. Expiration date, not applicable. Status would be active. Let me choose a product image for this. Discount, okay, let's try to add a discount for this one. I'll just leave it at promo. Or should I say 10% off? 10% off. So leave it at percentage and right here 10 and save product. Now you want to make sure to always go through everything and make sure that you're satisfied with everything that you entered into the product form. So that's it. Just go ahead and begin tracking, managing, and selling this product through Pozag. And that's it. We've successfully learned how to add products to the inventory section of Pozag. We've also explored importing products, exporting inventory records, and transferring inventory between locations. Proper inventory management helps businesses stay organized, reduce stock errors, improve reporting, and serve customers more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you never miss future Pozag tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.